Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $325 per hour using Google News, and this is a brand new method. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. Now, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about this method. Now, guys, I have an Instagram page, and I'm trying to get my followers up on there. So I need you guys to follow me. I have a lot of cool stuff you can learn on there about business. So all you have to do is just go on Instagram and search for AppGrind. And you can DM me, guys, if you have any questions about any of my videos or anything you want to ask me, or if you have any suggestions on videos you want me to make in the future. Just hit me up on Instagram. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. Once you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let me hop over here to this website and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, family, I'm at this website. The name of this website is Google News. So what we're going to do, guys, is find a very popular article or articles, and I'm going to show you how this whole method is going to work, guys. So what we're going to do is go to technology. I'm going to use technology, and let's use something that's very popular right now, like iPhone. So the new iPhone 13 is out. So let's just go ahead and click on that article. So here's the article right here. And what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to copy the article. So I'm just going to copy a little bit of it. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And we're going to go to another site. Okay, we're at the next site. And this is the site we're going to use to rewrite our article. Name of it is Spinbot. So all you have to do is paste the article that you got from Google News. There you go. And then hit go. And as you can see here, it rewrote the article for you in different words. So because you don't want to use the article that you got from Google News word by word. Now, the reason why we're going to do all this, guys, because this method, what you're going to be doing with this method is writing articles for people. And you're going to be able to go to Google News to get articles that whatever the buyer want. So whatever the topic is, you'll be able to go to Google News, search that topic, find that article that's related to their topic, copy the article, and then come here to Spinbot and get it rewritten for you. And what you're going to do is present that to the client. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is show you where you'll be able to sell these services to people so you can make some good money. You're going to make some good money doing this because a lot of people out here are paying money to get articles made. So let me go ahead and go to that website where you'll be able to offer these type of services and make money writing articles. So let me go over there right now. Okay, family, I'm at the next website, and yes, I'm at Fiverr. I know Fiverr is very popular. You probably heard this website before. So what you're going to do, if you don't have a Fiverr account, go ahead and sign up. And you're going to go ahead and provide article writer services or content writer. So when people search for a content writer, yours is going to pop up. Now, let's just look at some of the services that these other freelancers are providing as far as dealing with content writer. And as you can see here, some of them are charging $25, $40, $70, $95, $65, $45. So you got all different prices. Probably depends on how much of the writing you're going to provide to them, how many words, and it can be many factors that will dictate how much you want to charge. But if you want to charge on the high end, that means you have to provide them more words or more, a longer article. So all you're going to do, guys, this is the method. So all you're going to do, guys, is provide your services here. You can probably put some examples on here from Google News. And when whoever buys your services, whatever type of article they want, find that on Google News, get it rewritten on Spinbot, come back here and go ahead and sell your service to them and make this money. So this is how this works, guys. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes, guys. That's all I ask, just 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell because I make videos like this every other day. And I don't want you to miss out. Okay, guys, one more thing I want to do before I end this video. I want to do a shout out. I do this every video. And what I do is randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Please keep watching my videos. Please keep hitting that like button and please keep sharing them. Thank you for that comment. I really appreciate it. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks again. Road to 7,000. Let's get there by the end of this month of September. I know we got 4 or 5 days left. I know we can make it there, guys. I have faith in this channel. And I have faith in you guys to share this video and share all my videos so we can get to 7,000 subscribers so I can give out this free money. Okay, guys, one other thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have an absolutely prosperous day.